Welcome to the best picks. The best Karcher SC3 is probably one of the most popular and highly rated steam cleaners on the market, known for its powerful steam output and ease of use, making quick work of cleaning various surfaces around your home. In this video, we will deep dive into this amazing product and explore its features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right steam cleaner for your needs. Number 5. Karcher SC3 EasyFix. It's perfect for deep cleaning. The steam heats up in just 30 seconds and reaches over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, eliminating grease and stains from various surfaces. Effortlessly clean your stone, LVT, vinyl, tile, and laminate floors. It even comes with a carpet glider attachment to freshen up rugs and carpets. Thanks to lamella technology, it distributes steam edge to edge for a wider cleaning path and greater efficiency. You'll cover more ground in less time. It effortlessly cleans right up to the edges of walls, stairs, corners, and baseboards. The flexible hinge on the cleaning head allows it to clean under furniture and around small objects. The removable tank is easy to refill for continuous steam. Plus, the integrated descaling cartridge automatically removes limescale, extending its lifespan. What we like? It boasts a rapid heat-up time and delivers a powerful steam for deep cleaning. Its versatility makes it perfect for various surfaces. If you need a powerful, all-in-one solution for various cleaning needs, this is the one for you. What people say? The controls are easy to use, it is powerful and does a terrific job. Powerful steam that cleans floors very well, Bissell's steam output not as good, device feels sturdy high quality, heats up quickly. When refilling the water tank, there is no delay to resume steaming for it to reheat. I would have to wait for my Bissell to reheat if I refilled the tank. Heavy, excellent construction and design. Steams fast and at 3 levels. Really does steam the floors rather than just leave moisture to mop up. Number 4. OYSTERBOY 7 PCS Steam Cleaner Brushes. These replacement brushes are compatible with your Karcher steam cleaner. They're perfect for tackling tough stains and dirt. Made from high-strength, wear-resistant nylon, it can withstand the heat of steam cleaning. They're built to last. These brushes make steam cleaning more efficient. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. Use them on tile grout, faucets, oven doors. They're great for a variety of surfaces. It's perfect for any cleaning job. Different colored brushes for different cleaning areas. Keep your kitchen, bathroom, and grill sparkling clean with ease. 1 large round brush for larger surfaces and 6 smaller brushes for detailed cleaning. You'll get the job done faster. What we like? This set offers a variety of brushes for tackling different cleaning tasks. The durable nylon construction ensures long-lasting use. If you're looking to expand your cleaning capabilities and need specialized brushes, this is a great addition. Number 3. Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner Pads. These microfiber pads are designed for your Karcher SC3 steam cleaner, ensuring a thorough clean on all hard surfaces. They're easy to attach and detach, making cleaning a breeze. Experience superior dirt loosening and pickup with these premium microfiber pads. They're perfect for achieving sparkling clean floors. Attaching these pads is quick and simple thanks to the hook and loop system. No more struggling with slipping cloths during cleaning. Changing the pads is clean and easy. Just step on the base strap and lift the nozzle, no contact with dirt required. Clean even hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its large reach ensures thorough cleaning of corners and edges. These pads are machine washable up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Just remember not to use fabric softeners for best results. What we like? These microfiber pads are designed for effortless cleaning and easy replacement. They're also machine washable for convenient upkeep. If you value convenience and want to maintain the cleaning power of your machine, these are a must-have. What people say? Quality material and construction. Works as described. As advertised. Identical to the one that came with the mop. Number 2. Karcher SC3 Cleaning Brush Set. This Karcher brush set is perfect for your SC3 steam cleaner. It's designed for tough cleaning jobs, making quick work of dirt and grime. The brush is easily attached to your Karcher SC3 wand. It's quick and simple to get started cleaning. With stiff nylon bristles, it tackles even the most stubborn dirt and grime. You'll see a noticeable difference in cleanliness. The yellow and black brushes help you keep your cleaning areas separate. This is great for keeping things organized and hygienic. It's ideal for grout, faucets, ovens, sinks, showers, and more. It's a multi-purpose cleaning tool for your home. As a genuine Karcher accessory, it's made in Germany, ensuring high quality and durability. You can trust it for long-lasting performance. What we like. This set includes 4 durable nylon brushes, perfect for scrubbing away stubborn dirt and grime. The color coding helps keep your cleaning organized. If you need a set of specialized brushes for tough cleaning jobs, this is a great option. What people say. The brushes do not melt like the cheaper ones. So, they last longer. Karcher has not changed the fitting of the round brushes over the decades, so that these still fit on my older steam cleaner. These are very robust and hold up very well even under heavy use. Number 1. Karcher SC3 Power Nozzle Set. This power nozzle set is designed for your Karcher SC3 steam cleaner. It easily attaches to the wand, expanding its cleaning capabilities. It's perfect for tackling hard-to-reach areas. The concentrated steam jet blasts away dirt and grime with ease. Its narrow design makes it ideal for cleaning tight spaces in your car or home. It's so convenient to use. This nozzle set significantly increases cleaning power, making it simple to remove dirt from corners and crevices. Say goodbye to stubborn grime. It's an authentic Karcher accessory, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance with your SC3 steam cleaner. You can trust its quality. It quickly and easily attaches to your Karcher SC3 EasyFix wand. You'll be cleaning in seconds. What we like. This power nozzle attachment intensifies the steam's cleaning power, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas. Its narrow design allows for precise cleaning. If you need to tackle tight spaces and crevices, this is the perfect tool. What people say. The steam output is great and it's amazing how much nasty stuff comes out of a seemingly clean spot. Works pretty good to deliver a targeted high-pressure jet of steam. This nozzle improves on the limited power a bit by delivering a more precise and bit more powerful jet of steam. Fit and quality are perfect. It's easy to put it on snugly and take it off, with care because it naturally gets hot. It's easy to store in the existing steam cleaner caddy. It performs as expected and is overall a cheap way to get more from your Karcher steam cleaner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.